Let f of x equal ln of x and g of x equals ln of x cubed. Which of the following best describes the transformation from f to g? Well, if f of x is ln of x, like that, I mean, I've never seen a transformation like with a cubed before. What is that? Oh, you know what I can do? Since this is an ln, it behaves like a log because ln is a log, and I could just bring that 3 out front. So g of x is 3 ln of x. And when you multiply a function by a number, it is a vertical dilation of whatever scale factor this number is. So g of x is a vertical dilation by a scale factor of 3. Tricky.